In this quick guide, you'll learn how to set up dividend reinvestment on Webull. If you're looking to make the most out of your investments by automatically reinvesting your dividends back into your stocks or ETFs, Webull's dividend reinvestment plan, commonly known as DRIP, is a great tool to utilize. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start maximizing your investment returns. To begin, open the Webull app on your device and sign into your account. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available on both iOS and Android, and you'll need to create an account before following these steps. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Webull icon or the account section. This will take you to your main account overview. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a settings or account icon. Tap on this to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll find various options related to your account settings. You'll want to select Account Management from the menu. This is where you can customize your account preferences and manage various features. As you scroll through the Account Management section, keep an eye out for the Dividend Reinvestment option. It might also be labeled as DRIP, which stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. It's important to note that this feature may only be available for eligible cash accounts, so ensure your account type supports this function. Once you've located the dividend reinvestment section, it's time to choose the stocks or ETFs you want to enroll in DRIP. This feature allows you to use your dividend payments to automatically purchase additional shares of the selected securities. By reinvesting dividends, you can potentially increase your holdings over time without manual intervention. After selecting the stocks or ETFs, enable dividend reinvestment for these assets. Once this is done, your eligible dividend payments will automatically be used to buy more shares whenever dividends are paid out. This is a great way to compound your investment growth over time. And there you have it. You've successfully set up dividend reinvestment on Webull. By taking advantage of this feature, you're allowing your investments to grow more efficiently. Keep in mind that reinvesting dividends is a long-term strategy that can significantly boost your portfolio's value over time. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial and happy investing.